Hello friend, thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I'm so excited to have you watch this video today. Now, a lot of people, men and women, boys and girls, have been having health challenges. Of these health challenges are basically caused by us from childhood into teenage age, adulthood, and we keep continuing with those habits that have put our health into jeopardy. A lot of people have issues with infertility, fibroid, cancer, diabetes, hypertension. I'm sure in your family or around you, in your office, in your family, yes, or your colleagues, you must have heard that a lot of people have hypertension. Maybe your parents or your spouse have infertility problem, fibroid problem, cyst problem. Now, what do? Nowadays, a lot of people spend millions of naira traveling abroad looking for medical solutions when they can just adjust their lifestyle. So today, I want to invite you to a solution that we have brought in from Switzerland. The company called Swisderm International has provided us with a solution that all we need to do every day, early in the morning, is to take a sachet of Swisderm S-factor. Swisderm S-factor, just one sachet. In a pack like this, we have 20 sachets, and then once you wake up early in the morning, you take one of these, put it under your tongue, and it melts into your tongue. And within a short period of time, you start getting your health back. It helps to repair, replicate, restore your health gradually, and then you become healthy. So all I need you to do is to place an order for just 2 packets. 20 pack, 1 pack contains 20 sachets, 2 means you have 40 sachets. Once a day, every day you take a sachet, cut it like this early in the morning, and then you right under your tongue, you pour it and you take a cup of water. This is all you need. And that challenge, whether it's hypertension, diabetes, stroke, whatever that challenge, it will dissolve. It will, the S-factor, which is the #1 stem cell product in Nigeria, NAFDAC approved, with no side effects at all, will help you restore your health back. So all I want you to do right now is place order for your parents, for your uncles, for your aunties, for yourself, for your spouse. Place order right now. It's affordable. You don't need to travel abroad. Just 42,000 naira for 2 packs of Swisderm International S-factor, and you're on your way to get your health back. Please don't hesitate. Don't waste time. Come on, call me on this WhatsApp number 080-6622-8937. Let's help you get your health back with Swisderm S-factor. Swisderm S-factor, 1 sachet a day will restore your health back to normalcy. So I'm waiting for your call on 080-6622-8937. Cheers.